Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Blue Line Garage. So as you can see, my shop's pretty much empty and I'm projectless. So last night I went up and I picked up a trailer that I'm going to be rebuilding and refurbishing, refurbishing and fixing up and make it look like all the other trailers I fixed up. But it's what's inside the trailer that's interesting. Okay, inside the trailer is a 1950 Bomber. Okay. And so a little bit of a background story on this is that my buddy likes collecting old classic cars, and he came across one that was for sale, and the trailer basically was a part of it. Basically, the owner of this car, he worked on cars all his life, made custom cars, framing, things like that. So this basically, he ended up passing away. The wife ended up selling it to my buddy. The car is a 1950 Bomber. Basically, it's a shell, it's a roller. It does have an engine in it. It is an aftermarket engine. I can't see what it is. Last night, I was only able to open up the side door and take a look inside, which I'm going to show you guys here in a little bit. But I couldn't see very much at all. There is a lot of car parts inside this trailer. The trailer itself has some issues, especially the electric jack stand on it. So I got to try and fix that. I got to set it up on the side of my garage. And then basically what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to basically clean out the whole trailer for what parts are for the car, what's not, see if I can get the car running. It's a pretty huge project, but it's pretty exciting as well. So I'm basically going to give you a tour of the trailer first, and then we're going to try and get inside the trailer and take a look at the car. Now the locks the trailer and the car has been sitting basically in the storage for about 2 years. So a lot of things is rusted on it. The locks barely work. Some of the locks actually didn't work. The only lock I was able to get was the side door to work. So I basically soaked them in oil since last night. And let's go take a look. Let's see if we could actually see the car and see what's more involved in there. But I do see a lot of car parts in there, a lot of duplicates, which I don't think is for this car. So basically we're going to have to remove everything, categorize all the parts, and basically see what's up. So let's take that tour. Alright, so here's the trailer, and as you can see, there's a bunch of rust on the bottom. Even this handle right here is pretty rusted. I got this soaking in oil. Let's see if we could pop that open. So all this stuff is going to have to be grinded down, redone, repainted. All that stuff came from Colorado, so that's probably where the rust came from. A few little cracks here and there. Tire, surprisingly, is still good. This lock is the one that's working right now that I'm aware of. All the lights on here doesn't even work at all. This here had issues. I had to manually work this. See if I could get this going. This is just tight in there just so it won't drag on the floor. I mean, it's not too bad overall. Clean all this stuff up. I got the battery in the truck. Look at this. Would an electrician put all this stuff together? So I'm going to redo everything, put all new stuff. If you've seen my trailer builds, that's pretty much how I'm going to set it up as. That's pretty much it. Not much to go over. It has a rack on top. So all the lights are gonna have to be replaced. It actually has voltage somehow, so I got to figure out where it got the power pipe from here. And that's it. But let's see if we could get into it. Oh, and then here, check this side out. Same thing as the other side. All right, got the lock off. Let's get it open. Here it is. Like I said, still needs a lot of work, but it still has some good stuff in there too. Here's the front. So as you can see, there's a lot of parts inside, and I could already see, like, see here, this is for like the front bumper, and I could already see three bumpers in here, and that doesn't include the one that's already in there. So it looks like they use this trailer for many different things. It even has some of those ATV tires there. Not sure what those are for, but not too bad. Let's see, check out this engine here I was telling you guys about. So that's it. As you can see, all the custom work that's been done. So basically, I gotta get that back door open, and we gotta take everything out of here. See, there's a door. There's doors on both sides of this, and there's another door in the back. So, oh my God, there's just a lot of stuff in here. I don't know. So, hey, if you need any old classic car parts, let me know. I might have what you're looking for. But the body's been cleaned. It's been sanded down, primed. It's not too bad. You can see the back end over there. I don't know. Let me see if I could open up the back and go from there. But it's not too bad up here. Check out this. See all this work. So there's actually been a lot of work done on this, and we should just continue the work, make it what it is. All right, let's work on that back door. Oh, there you have it. Got it down. Take a look at that. A lot of custom stuff done. Look, this is not even set in yet. Look, you can see where it was cut out. Magnets are holding in place. Somebody took a lot of time working on this thing. Look, you can see where they trimmed everything up here, marked everything the way it needs to be. This is a big project here, as it is. Yeah, back tire's flat. Let's see if we could open up the trunk here. If it's even on hinges. Oh man, look at all that. It's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff, a lot of work to do. Well, listen, leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think or what I should do with it. Should I even attempt to try and get it started? Do you think it's worth putting back together? Shoot me your comments. Let me know. All right. So that's going to be a wrap for this video. This is just an introduction, basically what I got. There's going to be separate videos on the trailer itself, separate videos on this car alone. So the next episode is going to be clearing out all the parts out of the car, categorizing them, cleaning out the trailer, and then eventually seeing if we could get this car rolling out of the trailer and into the shop, so we could assess it better, check out the engine, what kind of engine it is, things like that. So make sure you like, you subscribe, and share it with your friends. All right, peace out.